wordy mama, need 4 reasons to start a freelance copywriting business right now? How about I give you 5? Hi, I'm Christa Nichols, freelance copywriter and copywriting coach. I help other wordy mamas like me make money as a freelance copywriter. Here's 5 reasons why now is the best time ever to start. Now let's just get the scary ones out of the way, because sometimes the things that seem like obstacles are actually the biggest opportunities. Number 1, we're in a recession. Costs are going up. Battle back the inflation prices with some extra money in your bank account as a freelance copywriter. Reason number 2, we're in a recession. I know I already said that, but let's look at that from the other side of the coin. If you're a business owner right now and your costs are also rising, inflation is impacting your bottom line, you're not going to be hiring. You might even be letting people go because you can't afford to bring people on at a full-time income with all the benefits. That means you're going to be looking for freelancers to fill in the gaps for those services that a full-time employee would have done. There's more opportunity than ever for freelance copywriters out there. Reason number 3, it's a low overhead business. That means you don't need tons of equipment or fancy software or tech in order to be a freelance copywriter. All you need is a device and a Wi-Fi connection. Reason number 4, and I love this one, time and location freedom. You can work whenever you want, from wherever you want. You also get to set your own rates. I like that part too. Reason number 5, you get to do something you love. You get to play with words all day and make money doing something you actually enjoy. Follow me for more tips on how to start a freelance copywriting business as a wordy mama.